Yo, I just gotta hit it one time. Let's go. About to hit the gas for a minute, no cap, no limit. I attack till I finish, I attract and I get it. Got my cash all liquid, never pass my limit. Too fast when I'm spitting, read it back, now they get it on. Flipping that switch as I'm hitting these bars like a gift. I spit like I'm sipping gold bars. So these kids, no kidding, I've been winning this and getting my best life winning while I'm hitting on a mission. Ooh, spicy, I know they like me, but I got a wifey. She be real nice to me, no one works like me. Got a different mind, see, my rate is pricey. Got a different psyche, ooh, lyrics are icy. Living life nicely, very precisely. Living divinely, manifest wisely. All I know is that I've been living for the sightseeing. Been around the world for a visit, first class ticket. Man, I'm in it, man, I'm winning. I don't have no limit. If I want it, then I get it. If she want it, then she get it. I ain't never done finished, I'm a giver. I've been giving first place. I've been winning 6 shots, head spinning, but I still keep ripping and I still keep hitting 2 ways. I'm splitting all in, I'm risking it all. Yeah, I don't ever fall. Yeah, but if I do, I get back up, stand tall. Yeah, I want it all. Yeah, a good life, I don't think small. Yeah, I'm
Lobat na ata o, wala na. May entrance ata ito.
Saan nagbabayad?
Diyan, sa baba ng kundi.
Bawang ka, pre.
Magkano ta? Isa? Tapos, 10 ka na. 100 daw.
20 sa 30.
Ako na yun. Lagi jacket sa babida, mama, kamarang sa kanya. 90 yan, kuya. Ata. Sa baba, ano, marami yung bato.
Ay, namiss ka na ito. Meron siya? Galing mo saan mo?
Bakit ba ito niya?
Ayos ko mo? Ayos mo? Pangalipit namin.
Wow!
Siyempre.
Meron din pala dito. Meron dyan, te. Nahinay, te. Madulas dyan. May mga bato dyan. No? May bato? Marami pong bato dyan. Dito nadulas si Kuya Boy. Dito.
Saan sila lumangoy?
Dito kami kaso malalim lang. Ano?
Dulagas ka agad. Kitado video do. Pwede rin kilas mo eh. Tabangan. Takada. Oh, kitada.